Welcome back to our channel. So today I bring differentiation part 2. Okay. So yesterday we have discussed about chain rule, how to how to do chain rule. That is first. And second today product rule and quotient rule. Product rule and quotient rule. What is product rule and what is quotient rule? We will discuss today. Okay. Before that, what we have learned yesterday, we will discuss now. Okay. We have learned chain rule. I have told what is chain. What is chain means. I have given one example. This is a box. In that, one more box will be there. In that box, at last you will get a box. In that means I am giving an function. We have to make a chain. Means here e power x cos x into sin x, means like this we have making if you solve more e power, so we are getting chain. That is chain rule. Okay, that is chain rule. Okay, now today we are discussing product rule. Okay, what is product rule? See here, dy dx of f of x into g of x, means product rule means not directly we should multiply any function. See what we should do. Dy dx of f of x into g of x, meaning first f of x derivative. So I told you dy dx. So it can written as f dash of x also. Okay, f dash of x also. Okay, so see here, we will differentiate with respective to x, but if we differentiate with respective to y, you will get, we will discuss in differentiation of implicit functions. Okay, later. Okay, now it is no needed. Just you remember, dy dx is also can be written as f dash of x. F dash of x. Okay, now see here, first f of x derivative, then g of x multiply you should do, then we should add, and this f of x you should multiply with the derivative of this g of x, derivative of this g of x. So dy dx of f of x into g of x is f dash of x into g of x plus f of x into g dash of x. Okay, whereas quotient rule meaning quotient, see here, dy dx of f of x, dy dx f of x by g of x equal to, first you should write g of x, okay, into, then we should multiply with the f of x differentiation. Okay, f dash of x minus f of x we should write, and minus sorry, here into g dash of x into g of x differentiation, g dash of x by g of x whole square. Okay, g of x whole square. Okay, now see here, first example is x square cos x. Okay, x square cos x. So how to do this? See here, first d by dx of x square, as you know how, f dash of x into g of x plus f of x into g dash of x. So d by dx of x square into cos x plus d by dx of x square into cos x plus uh, this is f of x, this is g of x. Okay, plus x square into d by dx of cos x. Okay, now if you do, means you will get 2x into cos x, 2x into cos x plus x square into minus sin x. Clear? X square into minus sin x. So you will get 2x cos x plus 2x cos x minus x square into minus sin x. X square into sin x. Why I am writing sin x? Because directly plus minus minus. So 2x cos x minus x square sin x. Okay, or sin x into x square. Okay, or sin x into x square. Okay, now see here, next example, x tan x. How to do it? See here first, can you see board properly? Here small place is there, so better first I will explain this problem, then I will rough, then I will explain. Okay, now listen this problem. E power x by cos x, we will wait and first we will do x by sin x. Okay, listen carefully. First g of x. So what is here? This is your f of x. Okay, and sin x is g of x. Okay, now this g of x is sin x. So write sin x into f dash of x. So dy dx of x, you know, into f of x. What is f of x? Sin x. F of x is x into g dash of x means dy dx of sin x by which square? G of x whole square means what is here? G of x sin x square. Sin square x. Okay. Now see here, we should do this. So sin x. Yesterday I have told to write formula. What is d by dx of x? I told you 1 into, here minus will come, minus x into d by dx of sin x, that is cos x. Yesterday I have wrote formulas, very useful formulas, by sin square x. This is only the answer. If you want to solve more, you will get sin x minus x cos x. Okay, sin x minus x cos x by sin square x. This is only the correct answer. Okay, if you happen to write one more step, you can add next. Okay, okay, now see here. Now I am explaining x tan x. Okay, x tan x. So listen carefully here. X tan x means here product rule, you know. If you know, you can do. Okay. So here see here x tan x. Okay. So first f dash of x, d by dx of x into tan x plus f of x into d by dx of tan x. You know tan x derivation, d by dx of tan x yesterday I have given. So here what you will get? 1 into tan x plus x into secant square x. X into secant square x. d by dx of tan x is secant square x. So you will get tan x plus secant square x. This is the answer. Tan x plus secant square x. Clear? Tan x plus secant square x is the correct answer. Okay, now going to this e power x by cos x question. I will give more example. I hope if you understand now only it's good. If you not explain, don't worry. I will explain more examples. Okay, now see here. E power x. First g of x. So cos x into f dash of x means d by dx of e power x. So I am not writing directly, you will get confused. So I am writing step e power x into, here minus f of x. What is f of x? Can anybody tell? E power x. G dash of x, d by dx of cos x. You know. Okay, by cos square x. Now see here. Cos x into d by dx of e power x. So cos x into e power x minus e power x into minus sin x by cos square x. Cos square x. So see here, if you do this, this is only your answer. If you want to solve more, you will get more 2 steps steps you can write. You can take e power x common. Here minus sin x minus. So this is also correct answer. If you want to add more two steps also you can add. Okay. So I am explaining one more example. Listen carefully here. X power 5. First I will explain one example of product rule. After that quotient rule I will explain. One problem. Okay. So x is x square into sin x. Did we discuss this x square into sin x? Cos x we did. This is now x square into sin x. Now how to do this? Simple. See here. First here x square, then sin x. So according to product rule, first here this is f of x and this is g of x. Okay. Now see here f dash of x. F dash of x means d by dx of x square into d by dx of x square into g of x is what? Sin x. Now we should do addition or subtraction? Addition. Okay. Now here f of x we should write x square. Now multiply with g dash of x means d by dx of sin x. You know d by dx of sin x? Yes. So d by dx of x square. D by dx of x square how much? 2x into sin x. Clear? 2x into sin x plus x square into cos x. Clear? So here if you do this you will get 2x sin x. 2x sin x plus x square into cos x or cos x into x square. Okay, or sin x into 2x, or you can write 2x sin x plus cos x into x square. This is also correct answer. Okay. Okay. Now here in place of cos x I am writing sin x. Now we will see what change will come. Okay. Copy this formula in your books and which questions I have explained. At last I will give 3 to 5 problems. You try to solve that problems. Okay, now see here e power x by sin x. E power x by sin x. Okay, sin x is easy. We will keep cot x. Okay. Now see here. This is g of x. This is f of x. True formula. Here first g of x into f dash of x. So cot x into d by dx of now f of x e power x into minus f of x. What is f of x? E power x into d by dx of cot x by g of x whole square. G of x whole square cot square x. Okay, now see here if we do this we will get cot x into e power x minus e power x minus cosecant square x by cot square x. This is the correct answer. Cot x into e power x minus e power x into minus cosecant square x by cot square x. This is the correct answer. Okay, I will explain more two problems. Listen carefully. Okay. Now see here. X cube into secant x. Now we will discuss this. Okay. I have changed trigonometric function. I have changed the power of x. Okay. Now see here. X cube. So f dash of x. So here f of x is x cube and g of x is secant x. Now see here. D by dx of x cube into secant x plus this f of x is x cube into d by dx of secant x. Okay, now see here. D by dx of x cube 3x square. How you will get 3x square? X power n formula n into x power n minus 1. Here 3 into x power 3 minus 1. Here 3x 3 minus 1 to 3x square. Okay, 3x square into secant x plus here x cube, right? X cube. Okay, x cube into d by dx of secant x. D by dx of secant x is secant x into tan x. Okay, secant x into tan x. So 3x square secant x plus x cube into secant x into tan x is the answer. Okay, 3x square into secant x plus x cube into secant x into tan x is the correct answer. Okay, now going to next question. So here now we will discuss one more last question. Last question. Listen carefully. Last question. This is x power 5 by e power x plus 2. X power 5 by e power x plus 2. Okay, now see here how to solve. E power x plus 2 direct I am writing into f dash of x d by dx of x power 5 minus uh, x power 5 into d by dx of e power x plus 2 by e power x plus 2 whole square. So g of x into f dash of x minus f of x into g dash of x by g of x whole square. Okay, now let us simplify this. We will get e power x plus 2 into d by dx of x power 5, x power n into x power n minus 1, 5 into x power 5 minus 1, you will get 5x power 4. So you write 5x power 4 minus x power 5 into e power x plus 2, d by dx of e power x plus 2. Here this is 2 is constants. What I told, if they given 2 sin x means you can't take as d by dx of 2 is 0. Okay, but here addition means we should take here 0. So you will get d by dx of e power x plus 2 is e power x only. Okay, clear? Now e power x plus 2 whole square. This is the correct answer. e power x plus 2 into 5x power 4 minus x power 5 into e power x by e power x plus 2 whole square. Okay, e power x plus 2 whole square. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss about inverse trigonometric functions. Inverse trigonometric functions like sine inverse x, like this. Sine inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x. What are the differentiation? We will discuss in tomorrow class. If you have any doubt, you can comment. So tomorrow we will discuss differentiation of implicit functions also. Okay, as well as inverse trigonometric functions. So I am giving 5 problems. Try to solve and tell. Now 5 problems I am giving. So first one, x cos x. Second one, x x tan better 2x by e power x plus 3. Third one is x square secant x, x cube secant x. Fourth one is e power log x by log x. And fifth one is x power 100 into tan x. So these are the 5 problems we should try to solve and tell me this answer. Okay.